Osajaje Otofin Osamar Nekeneo Abashim Kete Kungwande Kenyi. Why we need to support Anioma State creation, to support Senator Ned Nwoko, to actualize Anioma State for us, we the Anioma people. We want Anioma State and we must achieve it. And I'm also here to speak against those people fighting Senator Ned Nwoko, calling him names, all because he wants Anioma State to be actualized. Now, for those people saying that Senator Ned Nwoko is a selfish man, that he's greedy, that he's fighting to actualize the Anioma State for his selfish interests, well, let me make you people understand something. If fighting for Anioma State to give us 3 senators and to make us have representatives by bringing the government closer to the people, closer to Anioma people, if that is what you people call selfishness, then Senator Ned Nwoko is right for being selfish. Me, myself, I'm more selfish. If being selfish is to make the life of your people better, then Senator Ned Nwoko is right, 100% right for being selfish. The Igbo unification movements are unifying the Igbos because they want the whole Igbo-speaking people to identify as one Igbo people. If that is being selfish, then me, myself, I'm selfish. Some are saying, Senator Ned Nwoko, he wants to be the governor of Anioma State. That's why he's fighting for Anioma State to be actualized. How would that one take consign on her? How would that one take consign on her? If you on consigning on issue, everyone on social media and them are rubbish, people they talk up and down, you want to be the governor of Anioma State. How would that one take you in a business? If he actualizes Anioma State, we will love it. If he wants to be our governor, no problem. We know they complain. We Anioma people are not complaining. But some of our neighbors in fact, they are crying already. Especially those people that entered Europe through Libya. They outside, they dictate for we Anioma people who go be our governor, who no go be our governor. They are not even from Anioma State, but they are crying. No binu. If Senator Ned Nwoko is fighting for Anioma State just to be our governor, no problem. We are not complaining. As far as he done, so far as they give us Anioma State, person they fight for him people, when they call them selfishness. How that one take be selfishness? We, the Anioma people, we love that kind of selfish people. Anioma State is long overdue, and we must actualize it. That's why we Anioma people, we are expected to support Senator Ned Nwoko to make sure we get Anioma State to better our life and the life of our children. Anioma State is a goal. We are going to have a rally on the 28th of this month, this coming Saturday at Asaba. We will meet in Asaba Stadium. Then from there, we can go for the rally. Anywhere you are, if you are in Anambra, Enugu, in the 5 Igbo states, and in every other parts of Igbo land, you know, Igbos are found in 13 states in Nigeria, indigenous in 13 states. So anywhere you are, if you are in Asaba, come out on the 28th. Come out. Let's do a rally and support Senator Ned Nwoko. Anioma State is a goal. Nobody will stop Anioma State. We the Anioma people, we want Anioma State, and nobody will dictate for us who will be our governor in Anioma. Igbo bofu, Anioma State is a go.